In this video, you'll learn how to create a fintech dashboard using Claude Code. By following these instructions, you will set up a project, prepare data, and create a PowerShell script for analyzing financial transactions. Begin by preparing your project and data. First, open your command line interface. Create a new directory for your project by typing mengeder fintech dashboard. This command establishes a folder named fintech dashboard where all your files will reside. After that, navigate into this directory by entering cd fintech dashboard. You should now be inside the fintech dashboard folder. Next, you'll create CSV files to store your financial data. Type nytransactions.csv quote to create a new file named quote transactions.csv. This file will hold your transaction records. To add the header row for your CSV, enter the command date, account amount, type, outfile transactions.csv. This command initializes the CSV with the appropriate column names. After executing this, you will not see any output, but the file will now contain the header. Now you will append data to your CSV file. Enter the command 2026 0101 checking 1000 deposit outfile dash append transactions.csv. This command adds a new transaction record to your file. Repeat this process for the next transactions by entering the following commands: 2026 0102 checking -200 withdrawal outfile dash append transactions.csv, and 2026 0103 savings 500 deposit outfile dash append transactions.csv. After each command, you will not receive any confirmation, but you can verify the entries by opening the transactions.csv file in a text editor. The next step is to create your dashboard script. Type ni dashboard.psas one quote to create a new PowerShell script file named quote dashboard.psas1. Then open this file in Notepad by entering notepad dashboard.ps1. Once the Notepad window opens, you will paste the provided PowerShell code for Claude 2026 integration. This code includes parameters for analyzing financial transactions and generating insights, balance reports, and alerts based on the data. After pasting the code into Notepad, save the file and close the editor. You can now execute your dashboard script with specific actions. For a full AI analysis of your transaction, run the command dashboard.ps1-action summary. This will prompt Claude to analyze the data and return insights such as spending trends and risk alerts. To check account balances, use the command dashboard.pc1-action balance. Finally, to generate risk alerts, use dashboard.pc1-action alerts. Each command will provide feedback in the console once executed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial